morning, everybody. Matt here from Portsmouth Residential, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change the filter on your wall-mounted heating and cooling unit. Check it out. Step number one, whenever we're working with our heating and cooling units, we want to make sure that all power is off to the unit. That does not mean just turning off the heat or cooling feature on the thermostat unit, aka pressing the off button. It means actually killing power access to that unit. So how do we do that? Our breaker panel. We want to make sure that we turn off the appropriate breaker. And when that is done, double check on your control unit that there is no power. Once we've confirmed that our power is off, it is safe to take out the filter on the unit. Let's take a look at how to do that. The first thing we want to do is open the cover that protects the filter unit. On this particular heating and cooling unit, that cover is on the front. So we simply lift up, which will expose the filter, which is this mesh sheeting here. To remove the sheeting, we simply grab at the tab, pull down, and out. Easy. Once we have both sheets removed, we're going to use a vacuum and remove any visible dust or dirt particles. After that's done, we can take the screens over to our sink and run lukewarm water through them and scrub them until all dirt and debris is removed. It's best not to use soap, just use lukewarm water. Once the units have been vacuumed and washed and they are nice and clean, we set them aside to dry. And it's important that we leave them to dry until they are absolutely bone dry. We don't want anything wet going back into the unit, as that would risk electrical shock. Once the units are completely dry, we simply slide them back into their appropriate slot. Make sure those little tabs are in. 1. 2. Go ahead and close the door. And we're good. Now we can go ahead and turn that power back on. Once we confirm that the power on our control unit is back on and the unit is functional, you are good to start using the wall-mounted heating and cooling unit again. Thanks very much for listening, everybody. This has been Matt with Portsmouth Residential. Have a good one.